Hi everyone. In this video, I want to talk about data consolidation. It's a very common challenge that all organizations have. And the same way in HR, it's very common for you to compile data from a number of people. Let's look at a use case. Imagine each one of your plants is filling up a monthly tracker and they're sending you the Excel file back. Even if it has the same template, you still have to open each one of them and then combine it. A lot of online software as well doesn't allow you to download the entire extract. Sometimes you get 150 or 250 individual files, which means again you have to combine it. And if you read about it or discuss with people, people will give you many use cases as to why data consolidation is a necessary task. No one likes to do it, and it's a non-productive task and it's not automated. So in our resources folder, we have a zipped file, or rather a zipped folder, which has three files in it: HR department, R&D department, sales department. We just want to quickly check what the count of the number of columns are. As you can see, in the first one we have 64. Then in R&D we have 962, and then finally in sales department we have 447. So it adds up to 1470 if you exclude the common headings. So I'm going to show you two ways of doing it. One is with ChatGPT, obviously. The other is on Google Colab. So let's open a new chat. We will upload our zip file and we will say, unzip it, combine all the Excels and save. That's it. So cool, right? So easy. Unzip it, combine all the Excel and save it. So it's importing zip file and OS. As you can see, it took that file, extracted it. After that, it's checking if the extracted folder contains subdirectories, which might have been the case. And then it is listing all the Excel files in the folder. Right now we have 3 files in that folder. It's picking both XLS and XLSX, but we could have told it to pick only one or other types of files as well, maybe a CSV or a PDF. Then it is reading the file, combining it, saving it, and if I download it, you can see 1470 rows. Brilliant, right? Now I will tell it, thanks, write the complete code that I can run in Google Colab. It should ask the user to upload the zip file, then unzip it, combine it and save it. So just a little bit of modification in the code. It is now using Google Colab import files because we will have to upload the file there, and it has to ask the user to select the file that they want to combine. I really like the fact that all of these are beautifully commented. So even somebody who doesn't come from a programming or a Python background, it's quite easy for you to follow what is happening. Perfect. Let's copy it and we will paste the code and run it. First, it asks me to choose the file. So I'm going to select hrmis.zip. As you can see, it has combined it, first extracted it with the 3 files in it. And if you look at the combined file, 1470. So cool, right? So two different ways of combining, either from ChatGPT directly or using Google Colab.